Today I will be sharing with you how to make marble slime. You will need 4 different batches of white slime, or depending on you. First, start by coloring your slime on what color you want and mix it all together. You can do this when you are making your slime. It will be much faster. Do as many colors as you want. After that, mix the colors together. Depending on if you want a pastel color or a deep color, add as much paint or food coloring. For this, you will also need a container. Continue to mix it till the colors are even. After mixing all the colors evenly, place them in an orderly line. You can follow by color, or you can just randomly pick a color. After that, you just want to swirl it 3 to 4 times. If you swirl it more than that, you might end up mixing the colors. Now leave it to set. Wait for a few hours, and then your marble slime should be complete. I hope you can follow these steps and make marble slime. Thank you.